Well, hello, hello, hello. Peeps, I swear, if I had a half a brain, I'd be dangerous. You know what? Let me zoom in here a little bit. And while I'm at it, let me make it not crooked. There we go. Okay, sorry, I should have done that beforehand, but then I wouldn't be me. Listen, yeah, yesterday after I packed up, after I finished the video and I went to pick up the mess of boxes I had to my left where as I tossed things, I grabbed the big box everything came in, and in the bottom was this. How I didn't see it, I don't know. And actually, it's because I looked. I might still not have seen it if it weren't for the fact that I remembered, hey, I don't have my slips from HSN in case I want to return anything, which I'm not going to, by the way. And then I found this and I'm like, oh, you dingbat. So I'm coming back with you just with a shorty to show you, because this is still available on the HSN website. I know what it is because it was, once I checked my slip, it was the one thing that was, I hadn't opened. But it's from Stamps of Life. It is the, they've had it there. I don't know if they've had it for a while. It is not something new, but they had reduced it. So I went ahead and snagged it, and it's still available. It is the Stamps of Life, the Cross Flip It. So if you are of faith and are looking for have the ability of sending a Christian card, and I am, this is your kit for you. So it comes obviously with the die for the Flip It. The Flip It die that cuts out, and it has a couple of extra crosses so you can see. And then it comes with the stamps, and just really pretty stamps. I love the font they used on it. That filigree right here, and the words that you can do what you want. And I also have some other faith-based stamps, so I can combine it. But I wanted to come back with you with you guys with this so that you knew it was still available. What I love about Stephanie Barnard is she gives you a booklet. You get a lot of value for what you get, because she tells you, I mean, she gives you instructions, gives you ideas. There's her family, and that's really, really cool. So it's not just a bunch of pictures, but oh, here's how I did it. Here's what we used. I love, look at that Easter one. See, this would have been handy, and now I have something for next year for Easter. So, I mean, you could always send the cutesy little card, but you want to send something a little bit more deep to people of faith. So, I mean, just look at that. I mean, these are a great card for just, for somebody who's having a tough time in need of prayer. There you go. But I just wanted to post this and get this up to you. So if anybody's interested, I will post a link in the description below, but it is still available. So I love it. I'm really happy. I am sorry I missed it. I am such a ding-a-ling. But I did want to share this with you guys. Okay, I love that little butterfly, and that I recognize that butterfly. It's not another die set I have. I think it's the step die. I'm pretty sure. But anyway, I did want to come back to you with just a quickie, to post to say, hey, Dingbat here is back, and she's dingier than ever. I'm now going to leave you because I have to go outside, and I'm going to repot a fuchsia and plant 2 eggplants in the ground, and that's my Mother's Day today. So for all the mothers who see this today, happy Mother's Day to you all. Enjoy your day. Do what makes you happy. Spend time with your family. And if make you happy sitting there playing bit paper, do it. It's going to be a while before I get to even do it. It may not be until tonight myself, because I'm going to a brunch first with my daughter. My oldest daughter's taking me for brunch. And then we're heading over. Steve is working now, but he works today now. So he's going to meet me at my sister's. We're going to go then to my sister's to spend Mother's Day with my mom. So if I get lucky by tonight, I'll get to play a little while with paper before I pass out again. But anyway, happy Mother's Day. All of you enjoy your day, whether your babies are 2-footed or 4-footed. I mean, it doesn't matter. You make a difference in somebody's life, whether it's a pet or a child. Those of us are raising kids, where we've raised the next generation. Those of you who are still raising the kids, you're raising the next generation. So enjoy your day. Love your family, all right? And I will see you at the next one. You guys know the drill. If you like this really quickie video, by all means, give me a thumbs up. I mean, if you want to see more insanity from me, then subscribe and ring the bell so you know when I'm on. Otherwise, people, have a great day. Craft, make something beautiful, and always remember, we're all a little mad here, me particularly, so scrap the madness, okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye.